Hi, welcome to Sandy's Reiki Care. Hope you all are doing fine. Friends, I'm back with another thought-provoking video. It is about today's real modern struggle. What is that? To develop reading habits among kids. What with all social media distractions? I have many of my relatives and friends facing this situation. So I thought I'll share few smart strategies which are going to really work. But before I share, just take a second to subscribe to Sandy's Reiki Care, where I share such empowering content. Okay, so friend, how are you going to do that? Number one way is stop competing with social media. Instead, use its rules. Social media wins because it has visuals, it has shots, it gives rewards. So how are you going to do that? Start reading the same way. For visuals, show them comics or some graphic novels. For shorts, you can read short storybooks or joke books. And for rewards, tell them to read just one chapter a day instead of telling them to finish the book. Number two way is make reading a lifestyle, not a punishment. Never say read instead of using your phone. Instead say reading time starts now. Create a daily reading ritual. Same time every day. That can be bedtime. This works best. And that also only for 15 to 20 minutes. No pressure, no test, and no questioning. Number three way is let kids choose. Even if you don't like the book, it should be interest first, value later. Number four way is be a reading role model. This works more than advice. Kids copy what they see. If they see parents scrolling their phone, they scroll. If they see their parents reading, they read. Even 15 minutes of visible reading by you every day changes everything. Number five is create a low dopamine zone. Social media overstimulates the brain. Reading needs calm environment. Friends, for this, what you can do, try no phone in the bedroom. Second, you can do is reading corner with soft light. You can have a calm background, or you can have some light music or some silence over there. Reading thrives in peace. Number six way is use social media for reading. No need of banning it. Follow kid-friendly book channels, like audiobooks. Number seven way is replace screen time, don't remove it. When parents put a sudden ban, it may misfire. Number eight way is reward the habit, not the pages read. How are you going to reward them? You can reward them with extra bedtime stories, choosing the next book, or even a library visit. Number nine way is be patient. Habits take time. Friends, golden rule to remember is a child who enjoys reading will read. A child who is forced to read will resist. So follow these tips and use a guaranteed, I promise it is a guaranteed change in your kids' reading habits and they will not be distracted due to social media. Do share the tips with your friends and your family. Do share any other new ways you know in the comment section below. It will help, it's going to help everyone on the channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Sandy's Reiki Care to watch such empowering videos. Thanks and bye for now. Stay blessed.